Hello everybody, Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Flask application in 7 lines of code. This is going to go from writing the code in Python and then running it in the web browser, all in 7 lines of code. Step number 1 is to be sure that you have Flask installed. So you're either going to do pip install Flask, or if you're using an IDE like NetBeans, like I'm using, you're going to install it here. You hit that little plus sign. You go to PyCharm preferences, go to the interpreter, the Python interpreter, and then you install the package here. Just type in Flask right there, install package. But I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to install it now. So we have the package installed. So that's step number 1. I think that's pretty easy. Just break that down into step number 1. Step number 2, we're going to do from Flask import Flask. So what that's going to do is now we can access members of that library. We're going to create our app. So app equals Flask with an uppercase K and then underscore name. And then we're going to set our app.route to equal root. We're going to define our first function of hello. And then that's going to return hello world. And then we're going to do if name equal to underscore main app.run. You don't have to do that if statement, but I do, just for a little bit of good housekeeping. Oop, I missed one of the equal signs. And let's run this. I had something running already, I don't know why. Let's run this and we'll see what it gives us. So it's going to say here. Oh yeah, and by the way, before I click this button right here, which is going to show us our results, please subscribe. If you see I'm under 1,000 subs, which I probably am, I've got 333 right now. If you see I'm under 1,000 subs, please hit the sub button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 as soon as possible. Anyway, all right. Let's run it, and there we go, hello world. So that is in 7 total lines of code. I don't know, I think maybe 7 lines of code. How we can run a basic Flask application. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video that I release. Have a great day.